Question number 3. The shape of a garden is given, but see, the end of the garden is with the two semicircles and in between there is a rectangle. In this figure, you have to find the perimeter and the perimeter and the area. Clear? The perimeter means you have to start from a one point and ending point should be also be a सेम. अगर मैं यहाँ से स्टार्ट करती हूँ ए से तो मैं एंड भी ए पे ही करूंगी. क्लियर? सो perimeter of a garden start from A to B, C to D, D to A, B to C, C to D and D to A. Clear? From A to B is a pi r. Clear? From B to C as it is, I will explain within. CD is a pi r, DA is as it is. First of all, see that the total length from here to here, that is a 20. Clear? That is a 20. It's a semicircle here. Semicircle है बेटा. तो diameter is a 7. What will be the radius? Radius is a 3.5. Radius is 3 point. अब देखो, अगर semicircle यहाँ पे 7 है, the diameter is a 7, radius is 3.5, then this would be also be a radius, na? Then this would also be a radius. Clear? From the figure, this is a 3.5. This would also be a 3.5. This would also be a 3.5. Clear? From a 20, if you are subtracting 3.5 from the left side and 3 point from the right side, that is equal to 7. So 20 minus 7 becomes equal to 3 meter. That means from a distance from B to C is a 13 meter. ठीक है? So pi r 22 by 7, r is 3.5, BC is 13, pi r again 22 by 7 into 3.5, dA is a 13. 13 and 13 becomes equal to 26. So here is 0.5 sorry, 22 into 0.5. In the same way, that side 22 into 0.5. Clear? So solve the calculation. Here is coming 11. Then it is also coming 11, 26. 11 and 11, 22 and 26 becomes equal to 48 meter. Clear? If you have any doubt to find the perimeter, then please tell to me. Next is area of the garden. Area of the garden. Divide your figure into 3 parts. First is first region, second region, and this is a third region. Area of region 1, then second, after that third. Clear? Area of first region is in the shape of semicircle. So what is the area of a semicircle? That is a half pi r square. Then middle part is in the shape of rectangle. Area of a rectangle is L into B. Area of the third region is coming in the shape of semicircle, that is equal to pi r square. Pi r square and pi r square becomes equal to half pi r square, and half pi r square becomes equal to pi r square only, L into B. Pi means 22 by 7, 3.5. R is 3.5 into 3.5 because it's coming 2 times. L is 13 and breadth is 7. ठीक है? क्योंकि ये तो हमारी 7 ही रहेगी, that there will be a no change. Here 0.5. So 22 into 0.5 into 3.5 plus 91. Solve this calculation. So 11, here is a 11 multiply 3.5 plus 91. 35 multiply by 11, 5, 3, 5, 3, 385. Put a decimal after one digit. That is a 38.5 plus 91. Add it, you get a 129.5 meter square. Clear, bache? Thank you. If you have any doubt, please tell to me.